Hello, I want to talk about one thing. One thing that I want to talk about is at the end of the day, the only thing that is important is action, and this is what makes myself fear, scared a lot of time to do just to do the actions directly, not without thinking a lot, just do it. And I think it's quite good because I'm planning myself. I'm planning the things that I want to do in a day, but I just cannot do it because it's just hard. It's not hard, like it's just push myself to do the effort, and I cannot do it. And yesterday I just pushed myself to do it, and I feel satisfied a bit. And I have the quick thinking that makes myself believe that I just need to do the action. I don't need to think a lot first because I'm already planning, I already think about it. So I just directly do it, even though it just push myself like adrenaline or something. Just push first, and I will do it. That's it.